This is Theon here from SA Covers. So today we fitted our hard trifold fully lockable cover on this Kia Tasman. So this cover from the outside it presents as a soft cover, but I guarantee you it's not, because between the vinyl and the frame it's got reinforced ABS plating and it's got double the amount of crossbars than our soft cover. This is actually the cover that we stand on top of as well, which means they can't just cut this cover open with a knife. So guys, this entire hard cover installs and removes within seconds without any framework or anything that stays behind on the bin. There's no other hardcover product on the market that allows you to do this. So if I loosen the two quick release handles in the front now, I can completely take off the cover and there's nothing that stays behind on my bin, and I didn't drill a single hole into the bin at all. So if you want to put it back, you simply just fold it over again, hook it on that side. I hook the quick release handle on this side, and now if I close the tailgate and I lock it, seeing as this has got central locking in the tailgate, it's completely locked. You can only open this cover once the tailgate is open. So guys, this cover is the only hard cover that you get a 5-year warranty on as well. And as I said, it's a DIY no drill fitment product you can fit easily at home without any tools. So guys, if your vehicle is in need of a proper hardcover solution, please contact me today for a free quote and we'll get it sorted for you. Have a lucky day. Cheers.